Do you want to create a hyper-realistic virtual character that speaks on your behalf in your videos, captivating viewers from the very first moment until the end? In this guide, I'll reveal a powerful method to create a lifelike character using artificial intelligence, allowing you to produce professional content without ever appearing on camera. To get started, you need to design a main character that will be the face of your channel and deliver your content with a professional touch. The first step is to visit the Leonardo website and create a new account. Once logged in, choose the text-to-image tool to generate a unique and personalized character. When crafting your character, use a precise prompt to achieve the perfect image. For example, try a description like, "A white-skinned man giving a YouTube tutorial, wearing a red jacket and a black mask, sitting behind his laptop in his office with his arms crossed on the table." To ensure your character is distinctive, tweak the prompt by adding new details such as colors, clothing, background, or even facial expressions. Copy the English prompt and head over to Leonardo. In the image generation interface, delete any existing content and paste your new prompt to create your character. When choosing the image dimensions, select the format that fits YouTube videos best to maintain optimal resolution when you publish your content. If the result isn't quite right, don't hesitate to refine the prompt and try again. You can add more detailed elements such as a young man with black hair and smart glasses, sitting in a stylish office filled with tech books. Experiment with different prompts until you achieve the perfect look for your character. Once you've chosen your character, you need to make sure it is unique to avoid copyright issues on YouTube. Now, completely change the background using the Canva website. Upload your character image to Canva and use the background removal tool to isolate the character. You can choose a pre-made background or create a custom one using Leonardo. To create a custom background, write a detailed description of what you need, such as an elegant office with an empty chair in the center, a large TV screen mounted on the right wall, and an art piece on the left showcasing YouTube achievements and awards. Let Leonardo generate the perfect background, then download it and return to Canva to complete your design. In Canva, merge the background with your character and adjust the elements to create a realistic and professional final image. If a watermark appears on the image, you can easily remove it using dedicated online tools. Simply upload the image and use the selection tool to eliminate the watermark completely. Now, it's time to animate your character and make it speak. Head to the TopView AI website and log in. Choose to create a new video and set the dimensions suitable for YouTube. Upload your final character image and configure settings such as gender and the default voice type. The main goal here is to animate the character to appear as if it is speaking. Enter a simple text in Arabic in the text-to-speech field and click the Create button. Once processing is complete, your character will appear on screen, speaking with high-quality visuals and well-synced lip movements. Since the character wears a mask, you won't need to worry much about lip-sync accuracy, and you can later add your preferred voice during the video editing process.